Nice, that's it. Push press. Really good. Really, really good. Little push from those legs is absolutely fine. Come on. Nice, that's it. So just 5 push presses, okay? Nice. Very, very good, mate. Very good. He's got it. He's got it. That was good. That was just sheer strength and determination at the end. A bit more acceleration will help that joint. That's it. That's it. Nice. That's good, mate. That's good. Perfect. Perfect. Let's take a rest. A bit more acceleration will help that joint. .44. Nice. That's 1. 2. Nice. 3. Yeah, go 5. It's 4. Last one, mate. 5. Perfect. Perfect. Nice, mate.
Maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that?
Look good, look good.
Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that.
Last one, yeah? That's it. Push press. Nice, that was strong. A little bit of a mix up in the middle. Nice, that's it. Very good, very strong. Oop, be careful. Good boy. That's it. Nice, that's it. Good one. Good one. Thought you lost it in the middle then, but you kept it. Nice. Last one, yeah? That's it. Push press. Nice. Lock it out. Sweet. Let's go for it. Nice. So as hard as you can this time, okay? Really good. Nice. Really good. Really, really good, mate.